Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of June. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below, and you can find additional readings on Instagram. The link of that is also given in the description box below. So let's see, Capricorns, what the first 10 days of June hold for you. Okay, let's see. Wow. Sure. Why is this? Let me see what are the messages. Oh my god, 3 cards have flown out. Okay, I'll take them, all the 3. I have to read. Normally I don't take 3 cards, but anyway, since they have flown out, I think they have a message for you. That is why they have just flown out the way they have. So anyway, I'll include them. Guidance from the angels for Capricorns. Message from the universe for Capricorns. Okay, so Capricorn, you are dealing with a beautiful connection over here. It is a partnership, friendship, a relationship, whatever it is. It is a beautiful connection which you have over here with someone, and you are really happy with it. And you want to move forward with it, and you are totally glued to it. It's something very important for you. It's something very prized for you. You are totally focused on it. I think, see, what I am getting here is that you wanted to move forward towards this connection, whatever this connection is, but I think the things didn't turn out well, because I see here that you are being left out in the cold. You're feeling ignored or rejected. So what I feel here is that maybe your offer, or your movement in this direction has not been appreciated or by the other person, or whatever you thought it has, it didn't materialize. Basically, it didn't materialize. Whatever it is, it didn't materialize. But you have other ways of doing things. That's what I feel. You have the resources of, you are taking back the control of your life. It is not affecting you much. That's what I'm trying to say. Though you feel rejected and ignored by whatever this is, but it doesn't hold you back. It doesn't affect you much. You are able to regain your own balance and move ahead, take back the control of your life, move ahead again, once again, with a new beginning, because you have the, you know how to do it, and you've done it. You are stepping up in your game. You are in your life, I should say, in your game, in your life, and you are getting back the control of your life. You are recreating the memories of the past. You are, I think it's a third party situation. Oh my God. Because here and again over here with the Three of Swords, it is something you, whatever you are dealing with is it a love triangle? Because what I get here is that though you are able to take back the control of your life and move ahead in a particular direction, in a new life, in a new way, but I think whatever it is happening, there is definitely, at least for many of you, it is a situation which involves more than two people. It's a third party relationship. It's a love triangle. It's something like that, and it is causing a heartbreak. Definitely it is causing a heartbreak, a very painful situation. So though this time when you were rejected or you left out in the cold or it didn't materialize, you took back the power, started moving ahead in the same direction or towards somebody else, I don't know, or towards some other opportunity or some other person, whatever it is. But this situation is involving somebody who is going in, who is ditching you, or you are ditching them, whatever it is. It is a third party situation. It is a third party situation. It is a love triangle. It is something which is definitely the information is reaching, sort of reaching your home, something, or somebody is ditching you or passing on whatever you are discussing to others. It's something like that. If it is a workplace or a friendship or something, there is some sort of betrayal which I can see in this situation. It can be a love triangle. It can be, if you trust your friends, they are passing on the information to somebody else and taking advantage of that situation because they know that information, so they're leaking it. Can be that, and which leads to a lot of heartbreak. It's a very, very toxic situation. You are finding it very tough to deal with it. You are feeling very anxious, very obsessed, and very controlled in this situation, and you decide to work on your emotions. You're holding back your emotions over here, and you decide to move back, hold back your emotions. And what I am getting here is that you are coming from 322. So basically, whosoever this third person is, if it is a love triangle, you are coming back to your original partner with the Lovers, perhaps. Maybe this love triangle is leaving. You are leaving this love triangle situation. You are stepping back, removing your emotions from that situation and trying to move towards your family, moving away from negativity, trying to balance the situation, and happiness comes in. That's what I get. So what I feel here is that whosoever is involved in a love triangle or a third party situation, the person who is extra moves away, takes back. Okay, so since it's your reading, what I feel is that you need to take a step back from this love triangle or this third party situation, because it's just not materializing. Things are getting very toxic and controlling. You need to regain your composure, control your emotions, and you have to focus. Then you start focusing on your own family, walking away from whatever the negativity in the situation was, trying to regain the control and balance the situations, And here we have the Three of Cups, which is celebrations and happiness. Again I see here three. Maybe this is you're celebrating with your friends or being happy with your friends. Okay, let's see what the other cards have to say. Yeah, you are very, very focused. Again, you are very, very focused like this towards something or someone. You are trying to balance the situation, being in touch with your inner voice, being in touch with your inner intuitions. And again, you are having celebrating over here. What I see is that once you are able to tune in with your intuitions, and once you are able to listen to your intuition and do what is right and balance the situation, I think then you will be able to enjoy this family time together, or this togetherness which will come after this third person moves away from the relationship, whosoever the third person is. That's what I feel. Six of emotion. Memories can fill your heart with many emotions. It is important to remember your past accurately without seeing it as better or worse than it was. People you used to know may return to your life unexpectedly. Children could be an important issue, or you may need to reconnect with your inner child. So whatever the negative situation is, it talks about forgiveness. You just need to learn the lessons which need to be learned and let go of whatever negative was there in your life, so that you can focus on the positives of the life. Number 23 or number 5 may be of some significance, where you take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. So basically all the turmoil and all the tension will move away once you are able to connect with the fact and be with the person whom you really love actually. Okay, so I think the love and the partnership of the person whom you actually love is important over here, and that will be able to help you to tide over the turbulence which is happening in your life, because there is definitely a lot of turbulence of emotions, turbulence of the situations, very painful situation is there, and it'll be sorted out once you are able to tune in with your emotions and you are able to balance your emotions, come out of this negativity and set things right, Capricorns. That's what you need to do. That's what you will be doing, I guess. Okay, anyway, thanks and hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.